And welcome everybody to another exciting episode of Tech Thursday. I think y'all know who I am by now. If you didn't, I'm the producer, also known as Catherine Sanders. But I like the producer better. Makes me feel like I'm empowered. But nonetheless, we're here at cameraman. You know, I like my green wall. He's looking at me, giving me the eye people. I want to show my live background. We're here at the Aliv Lounge, and he's still ain't putting it on, but none. Yes, yay! I know every guest. I run. You know, I like to show off my guests.
Yes.
I have never had some face with me, guys, but you know, he's coming back on later. So we're here at the Aliv Lounge, and now I'm going to get back in my screen on myself. Yes, take all of the attention. So we're here on Tuesday, I know, guys, on Tech Thursday. And we, like I said, we have our special guest, Aliv. You know, they're my favorite, but nonetheless. So what we're going to do is take a little break, and then I'm going to come back, and I'm going to introduce our special guest. And you guys waiting. Y'all see that answer face, y'all waiting to see who he is. So we're going to go to commercial break, and we'll be right back. So we're back. Hi, everyone is this handsome guy next to me. You. So this is Kendrick Delaney. He's here. He's representing Aliv, and I think he's going to do a wonderful job. I think everybody behind him are going to be like, Kendrick, you outshined us.
Wow.
But what I am going to do, I'm going to stop all the talking, and we're going to have Mr. Delaney, or we're going to be called Kendrick.
Kendrick is fine.
Okay, so we're going to have Kendrick here. He's going to take over the show. Hey, Joanne. Kendrick, you want to say hi to Joanne?
Hey, Joanne.
Hey! So Kendrick is going to explain a little bit more his role at Aliv, what he does, and
Yeah, it's a lot of pressure.
yeah.
But yeah, he works at Aliv. I am a product developer at Aliv. We have a small team, about 6 to 7 of us. And what we do is we build some of the traditional products. So, you know, the freedom plans or the liberty plans that you might be using at Aliv. We build those.
So we got to thank you?
Yeah.
Really? Y'all got to thank him when y'all use y'all free the blind. They think about Kendrick.
All right. But in addition to that, of course, my role at Aliv is to also think of ways of how we can use technology to solve everyday problems for the Bahamas. So, you know, right now, most Bahamians use WhatsApp, Facebook, I don't know, Snapchat, maybe if you're young. And all of that data is going outside of the country. Nobody knows what we're doing, what is our patterns, what is the analytics behind that. And we thought at Aliv, let's connect Bahamians in a way that uses technology from the Bahamas. And that's what my job is to do, is like create solutions that keep our data here, as opposed to all of,
Good to say hi to Kira.
hey Kira, as opposed to having a lot of people own our data someplace else. So I try to create technologies that solves everyday Bahamian problems.
Okay, so you know, I ain't really getting into it. So you're telling me you could solve my hair problem so I could know when to rain in so I could like cover this hair so it don't get damaged.
If that's a problem that a lot of Bahamians have, why not?
No, that's not. That's what. So y'all know a life that solve all.
Right.
That's what you're
Well,
responsible
we started
for.
with 5 problems. We started with tourism. How do we talk to our tourism instead of TripAdvisor or the cruise lines directing them and other international websites like Expedia? So we thought about how do we own that information. So I'll show you a little bit about that
Okay,
later.
we'll do it later, huh?
We also talked about cookouts, you know, South tickets. How do you know if your money is going to the right charity? How do you know if a church is using the money? So we thought, maybe we should build a website similar to a crowdfunding website
Okay.
where you can make donations on site and you can pick up your South ticket right at the event without even using a piece of
So
paper.
I gotta wait that long to get that cheap tongues out.
Yeah, exactly.
And
And you don't got to worry about the little number, writing the number on the tickets anymore.
And I could make sure go there and get my Johnny cake. Cause sometimes they don't give me the Johnny cake. You gotta get bricks.
You could also imagine that, so this site is called Together by Aliv. Together is a website where you can go and make digital donations to charities and nonprofits that you believe in.
Y'all, we have all the sauce on this
Yes.
spoon. Wow, I didn't know it was.
We also invested in healthcare, so you'll see something coming out pretty soon that hopefully reduce the wait times at the hospital, help you to get better health care, help you to get your prescriptions and track them. We have a media channel that's coming out soon, which you'll learn about in the near future. Yeah, we're doing a lot of things with technology.
Listen, y'all ain't living in Bollywood live. I feel alive. Y'all feel alive? You feel alive? I feel alive right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a break. I think it's too alive, but we're gonna take another commercial break, and then we can get to know Kendrick a little bit more. You know, it's coming up. Our little speed round is coming up. Kendrick, you ready? You're
ready.
nervous? You ready? You ready? So we're coming right back again.
You've seen it before, haven't you? PowerPoint presentations that look the same. Truth is, presenters use the default theme so much that they have become cliched, and audiences get bored after the first slide. Don't let this happen to you. Creating amazing presentations that engage audiences take a lot of time and creativity, and we're here to help. Saunders Consultant have built professional and extremely easy-to-use templates that will captivate any audience. Just add or replace text and images. You'll wonder how you ever made it without this. Contact us today. Saunders Consultants specialize in IT solutions that fit your company.
Okay, guys, speed round time. He was putting on his cleats, he's putting on his tennis.
Yep.
He said he's doing it. You see him, both. He could be fast. But he ain't outrun us. He will not outrun us. Mm-hmm. You think you can outrun us?
I can try.
Okay. Question time. Apple or orange?
Orange.
Okay, it's orange, guys. Coconut tart or Duff?
That's a very easy
That's
one.
easy. Everybody knows it.
Definitely Duff. That's a new Duff.
That's a new Duff. Okay. Well, guys, you know, you love this time when you watch it. Okay, last question. Everybody gets the same one. Apple or Android?
I'm an Android person at heart. Apple is too restrictive for me. Are you an Apple person?
The producer over there shaking his head.
Sorry.
I'm a technology person. I embrace all. I'm holistic. Yeah, holistic. You know, I ain't getting everybody. But nonetheless, so we know a little bit more about what you do. You guys know a little bit more about who he is. So we could get into the meat. Do we go to another commercial break? Okay, so let's get in. Yes, we do have a commercial. No, we don't have a commercial break. So we're going to get into the meat. Oh, okay, news. We have news. I'm going to say thanks to my sponsors. Of course, it's Saunders Consultants. You guys, you know, that's us. So I definitely want to thank us for sponsoring Tech Thursday. If you guys have any IT problems with your network, your computers, you can reach out to Saunders Consultants, and that's our numbers up there. Give us a call, and we'll be willing to come out and do an assessment of your problem, let you know what's your problem. We also want to thank Bahamas IPTV Communication and Solution. For you guys who are this Game of Thrones fan, listen, and you having a challenge going to watch it, you got to go by your cousin who locking up the fridge when Game of Thrones come on, because y'all coming over to watch TV. Call them. Y'all ain't got to take no lowness. Y'all know we being able to go, I got to take your lowness. Call Bahamas IPTV and Communication Solution. You may not have the money, so hey, say Saunders sent us, and they definitely give a discount on it. So you guys could buy a grocery to watch Game of Thrones. But definitely check them out. They're excellent. And we also want to thank, of course, Aliv! Yay! We can't do it without Aliv. They are fabulous. They are, I would be remiss to say, they are probably the top technology company out there. Check them out. They always have some special going on, and they're always willing to work with you. You want to thank Aliv. And for you guys who don't know, who might just be here to see Mr. Kendrick, we also are on Facebook. We're streaming live on Facebook, on YouTube. Like our page, share our page, become a part of this nation, this tech nation that we're building in the local 242. We want you guys to become a part of it. You know, join it, love it. You know, like come to equilibrium, yeah. Oh, no, you want me to hurry up, stop talking. But nonetheless, we have a contest going on for Mother's Day, for our mothers. I think we all love our mothers. I love my mother. She ain't here, but I still love her. So what you're going to do, you're going to like our page. You're going to answer the questions so you guys can go back if I'm saying it wrong. And then they're going to subscribe to our YouTube page. And we have some new content coming on YouTube for you guys to watch. So you guys definitely want to subscribe to our YouTube page. We're giving out a lot of tips. We're giving out so much tips. You guys even going to pay us to do no work. Y'all going to become like the technicians, the superstars soon. We got to stop doing that, nonetheless. But yes, and definitely you guys could check out Sanders Consultants and our live streaming services. We do live streaming services. So if you guys having your bar mitzvah, you guys having a party, you guys hosting some special cooking episode of New Duff, you definitely could reach out to Sanders Consultants and we will live stream your events, whatever you have going on. So we're back with Kendrick and Catherine. See, these the kids, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, we smash up the kids. So, Kendrick, we're going to get into the business. I know this is everybody's here for. They want to hear more about Aliv.
Right. So one of the technologies I want to talk about today is Discover. And Discover is a tourism-related app. So right now...
Hold on, we're not talking about Discover the card, right?
No, it's a little different.
Okay.
It's called Discover Maps. So you know these maps that the tourists get at the cruise ship terminal or at the airport? We thought, how could we make that an impressive experience for guests? Because right now, where are they getting these maps? It's a one-way conversation. That means that when you advertise on a map currently, you don't know if a guest is really going to your site because they saw the map. You don't know if what streets they like to walk on. You don't know what sites are safe for them. Can they donate to the Fort Finn Castle to have it improved? You can't really talk back and forth with your guests with a printed piece of paper. So we thought, rather than get rid of the map, how can we add a wow experience? And that's what Discover is. Discover uses augmented reality. Most of you should know what augmented reality is. It adds 3D animation, movies, characters on top of any type of printed material, or it could even be a wall or t-shirt or something like that. So this particular map has something very special that I'd like to show you.
You're bringing it on.
Using my phone. Okay.
And again, let's talk about and watch the show.
Forget Wi-Fi. Go tour and discover.
So
I felt like I was in a movie. I thought that was 3D. I gotta feel the breeze.
that's called
So the fourth and I gotta feel this because we in a live lounging.
I think so.
Maybe
And we
that's
had
what
a
it is.
fusion, we had a beautiful place as well.
Yeah.
So this app really helps you. By the way, do you know how many historical sites there are in Nassau?
No.
See? This is
I
a quick
get
round
you.
for you now.
I know, I failed.
But this app really helps educate not only tourists, but help Bahamians connect with the historical sites in a way that we never had before. So you can click on your My Alive app right on your phone. And And just using the camera on your phone, what this app does is...
So this is live, what we're seeing on your phone now,
yes,
right?
this is live right now.
Okay.
So you can see around the camera there, but I'm just going to show you the map itself. And if you get a little closer, these items are not really there, but they're showing up in 3D.
Oh, wow.
On a piece of paper here. Even if we look at the Aliv logo for a second here, see it, colors are changing here. So just using augmented reality, we're popping these things. And here's the really wow part. Let me choose my favorite one, which is the water tower.
Hold on, it's coming up on the screen. Hold on.
One sec.
One sec. This is technology, people. Live technology, eh? Can't get more real than this. But that was awesome.
And it uses technology. Basically, we went to Antiquities and Monuments Committee. We went over to the National Art Gallery. We got all this Bahamian content. And instead of going to Wikipedia, for example, where you wouldn't have the ability to... one second.
Okay.
Yeah, where you wouldn't have the ability to curate
You
that
guys,
content.
don't miss me too much. Don't miss me too much. Uh-oh.
And we kind of wrote that content into this app. So we've connected people to all of these historical information in the Bahamas using 3D images. We took 3,000 photos of every one of these sites.
Okay.
And then we pieced them together to get a 3D animation that pops out of the paper. And you don't have to walk there anymore now. You can just put it up on your phone and say, oh, this is the history of the water tower. Or this is how much people...
So schools could really use this.
Absolutely. Imagine
Teachers
if you're in
could use this.
Inagua, you could learn about the history of the whole island by using a piece of paper now with your Aliv phone.
Wow, guys. Teachers, I mean, if you're doing geography, okay, you guys going to miss me another second. Don't miss me too much.
There you go.
Okay, so this is not only good for tourists or anything.
No,
I know, Karen, that was fancy, girl. I thought I was in Miami. But when you went Aliv, you could be everywhere. You feel like you're everywhere. I know, girl. I was looking at this thing like, this real? I wanted to touch it. I just said that normal.
Yeah, so just look at all these animations that pop up here. And we've taken all the historical sites and created them. And then if you tap them, they pop up in 3D.
Wow.
You can see the full, as like I said, we took a drone and we took 3,000 photos of these sites in the Bahamas.
Wow.
We're the first company in the Bahamas to really put all of our historical sites on a digital platform like this. You can see more. You can scroll through all of the photos. Let's say you were a tourist or a student downtown and you wanted to figure out how to walk. You just press the go button and directly to Google, it tells you how long it takes to walk there. It's an hour and a half. You want to walk with me?
No. we make it run it.
We've taken all these sites. We have a digital tour guide right in your pocket now. And it's all using technology. This is just one of a few technologies that Aliv has done to really transform
the tech field, like
yeah.
what we do, the tech industry and the Bahamas. I think this is awesome and it's commendable. And I will
you can download it now. Discover Maps.
Discover Maps.
Yes.
Okay. We'll definitely keep that up on our page. Great technology. That was perfect timing to Aliv to use that. Okay, so I mean, I don't know if you could top what she said. I love Aliv. Oh, I know, but yes, we need this in our life.
You can download it now. It's in your Apple or your Android store. Just go and just search Discover Maps, and you can get connected to all these historical sites around the Bahamas.
Okay, so he did everything. My next question was why create a Discover app? And I'm sure you answered that perfectly why it's there. But you know, we're talking about tourists, but I want teachers. We have a lot of teachers that listen into the show too. Teachers, this is something perfect for you guys to use. The technology, education was supposed to be giving free Wi-Fi to the teachers. So you could integrate this into your classes, into your lessons. If you don't want to take the kids out of the classroom, you can actually use this technology.
Yeah, if you have limited resources or a field trip isn't possible, it helps emancipate you to kind of still teach using technology. And I think students really respond well to this because it's organically what they're used to nowadays. Like, can I use my phone to connect with the Bahamas? How do I do that? How do I island hop from my desk? Such a cool opportunity for students. And you know what? If you're a teacher out there and you want us to augment some more sites, you know of something on a family island that would be cool for us to share, come and talk to Aliv. We're also excited about that. That's really cool to
So
come
they
and
come and talk to you, Kendrick,
come and
or they
talk to me,
come, any numbers that they could contact you at, or
just email me. My email is kendrick.delaney@bealive.com. And just tell me what you're interested in. Like I said, we're building tons of technology. This is just one of a few solutions. And so if you have any ideas, or maybe you have a solution that you already started developing and you want to partner, Aliv is also interested in helping to accelerate your business. We are the #1 telecoms company in the country, and we have an impressive mission to be connecting all Bahamians using technology.
and I think you guys are doing an awesome job with that. Listen, I still stand. I'm like, I could touch it. Like I saw the top of it. I felt fancy. So I'm so proud of it. It was really good. So guys, you wanna? Oh, that's it. I just
That's
going to
my
give
email,
your
yeah.
contacts again. I was just going to give your contacts again. Okay. So what is the Create Hub? The
So-
Aliv Create Hub.
Yeah, it sounds just what it sounds like. It is a place for us to create new technologies. So of course we sell talk, text, and data, and I think that everybody enjoys the best plans with Aliv. But suppose you wanted to create something new. Suppose you wanted to create a digital neighborhood watch program, or if you wanted to create a VIP valet service at Princess Margaret Hospital app or technology that helps you improve your life and help the life of other Bahamians. That's what Aliv is for. So it's a space for you to come to us, talk to us about your ideas, and not just ideas, but really tangible ways of making something happen. Because believe it or not, there's a lot of communities that look just like us around the world that's looking for help and technologies. And Aliv, why shouldn't Bahamians be at the forefront of that? That's what Aliv creates is.
That's awesome. So if I came and I said, listen, I think we need to, let's investigate the lifestyle of the average over-the-hill society. You guys would come up with some type of creativity that we could actually, I don't know, any idea.
What we always start with is, especially when we're developing new technology, is what do you want to be famous for? What do you want your app to be famous for? Right now, a lot of people think that an app is a one-stop solution for everything, and that's not really the case. Really, it's more about what problem are you solving in a user's mind? Why are they going to tap on this button? When you tap on their banking button, it's because you want to check your balance. When you tap on WhatsApp, it's because you want to connect with a family and friend. When you go on to Facebook, you might want to share a moment or memory. So for Discover, it's for helping tourists to know what to do in the Bahamas and feel like they don't need to be forced to do something that TripAdvisor tells them to do, or Carnival Cruise Lines, or somebody else tells them to do. All of those places are great, but we think that we can own Bahamas content too. So we want to work with Carnival, we want to work with TripAdvisor to help get all of these places connected through Discover. And for you, in their case of the over-the-hill community, if there's a problem that needs to be solved, why not use technology to do that?
Okay, another question. Say I'm a church, and I want to develop an app so I could reach out to more, use Bahamian vernacular leeway, strayway youth. You know how we go. So I could come to you guys, and you guys would listen to me, and we could develop an app.
Well, in addition to listening, we also want to hear what cool ideas that you might have. So you might already have a concept in mind to kind of connect. One opportunity, for example, is potholes. I know that somebody recently developed a pothole app in the Bahamas. I don't know if you heard about it.
No, I haven't.
But if you come across a pothole that you could tag it in online, and then after a certain amount of people tag it, it pushes it into a petition online for
You
the
sure I
government.
ain't crashed? Because we got... I need nothing crash. We
Right,
got
right.
photos every second.
But you can petition the government to now fix that, because several people have already complained about that. And so we can use technology to solve any type of problem. It's just a matter of figuring out how many people have that same problem and what do we want to be famous for.
Okay. So, last thing about this, 'cause I'm really interested in this, because I already come. I'm thinking like a dad cut cake app.
Okay.
Could I be seeing a lot
That
of
is a
them?
big problem in the
Listen,
Bahamas,
that's
yes.
a huge problem, and I'm like,
Wow.
anybody picking up these like dead animals? But anyway, that's another thing. So, question. So they come up with this idea. What do I have to give you all money? How does this
No,
process work?
it's more of a partnership. So we realized that all around the world in countries like U.S., Canada, they have incubators and a lot of funding that goes towards technology development. In the Bahamas, we don't have the resources to do that, but you do have a partner like Aliv,
Right.
which means that if you have an idea, you have some business sense, and you know that you can use a strategic partner who has a technology hub like Aliv has, you can come to us and say, hey, this is my concept. I've researched it. You know, sometimes you want to see a business plan. We want to understand how do you see this solving a problem.
Oh, so I can become an entrepreneur then.
That's exactly what it is.
Oh, y'all want to be entrepreneur? Listen
We're
to this.
creating, Aliv is creating entrepreneurs. Yes.
Oh, wow. Can you guys get another class from
So
Design
come on by. I
Development
mean,
Tech Thursday?
we're very excited when we hear new solutions because, you know, Aliv, of course, we're creating our own, but why shouldn't we encourage other people to solve problems?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's fabulous. Okay. So you guys, again, if you want to, give them the email address that they could contact with. If,
There it is. So just
Yeah,
click
they
into
do.
the or you can go to our website too. We already have a website talking about Aliv Create. So it's bealive.com/create.
okay.
And you can learn about our accelerator, which means that if you do have a business idea, we can help you accelerate it, as well as all of the apps that I just mentioned to you. One of the other cool apps I didn't mention today is already in your Aliv phone. So if you have an Aliv phone, you just log into My Aliv using your phone number and your password. And guess what? We have rewards there waiting for you. It's called The List. It's right under Buy a Plan, and you'll see
We didn't use your phone.
a
We could
ton of
actually-
resources. I can show you on my phone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't do the password first. So I can see some of your jacket.
Yeah, we're gone.
Yeah, let's do the password.
So this is not even something new you have to download, right?
You ready?
I'll show you. Really, it's so cool to me because it means you're getting rewarded just for being a live customer, which means that you can go to Samilo Butler Mart or you can go to Doctor's Hospital and get discounts just for being an Aliv customer. So I'm just going to log in really quickly.
My ears was ringing like music, like cherubims were singing in my head when you said discounts.
Yeah, of course.
Discounts.
So let me just log in really
Okay,
quickly.
yeah. I'll let you know when he's ready.
Good.
Okay, you ready? All right.
So here, let me just show you on your menu. Just go right here on your menu and click My Aliv. You can see how you can purchase all your plans. And if you're ready to, I'm just going to log out here really quickly. Don't worry about it. There's no password here. I've already figured it out.
Okay.
This is technology. You're just using your fingerprint.
Okay. So they saw your
And
number though.
give me a call if you'd like. The list. Where did it go? I have to close the app one sec. All right, let's try that again. So, open your My Aliv app. Sorry, last time.
Okay.
Can you see?
It's coming up? Yeah.
Okay, right here. The list. Oh, it's secret. There you go. Well, this is
know
gonna be a
it.
good day.
I know. It's going to be a fabulous day.
Once you log in here, now here you can see all your rewards.
It's coming up?
Yeah, it's coming up right now. So you can see that I'm a platinum member of the my list. You see right here at the bottom, you press rewards, and you can be. I get bites, journeys. Just by being an Aliv subscriber, you get to. If you spend more than $45, you get all of these different rewards.
Okay. I made up a lot of rewards.
Yeah, so go ahead and check it out. I can for example, this one says, I'm getting 30% off a diamond peel facial.
Really?
Yeah, that's already in your phone.
I gonna need your phone. I don't know if I get that here. I gonna need that. I get myself a facial. On Mother's Day, people, guys, use your reward. Mother's Day is around the corner, guys. Use your discounts, use your rewards. I gotta use mine. A little teensy.
Absolutely.
It's easy.
And this is already in your phone, so you don't have to download anything new. Just go to My Aliv.
You definitely part of that?
No, do that.
Okay, so guys, we wanna, I don't know if we're doing a giveaway. Okay,
Sure.
so we're gonna do one giveaway. So Kendrick is gonna give an easy but tricky question to you guys. Drum roll, is correct. Drum roll, please. So you're gonna give one. He's gonna ask you one question. The first person who's gonna answer, you're gonna get a Freedom 10. So go ahead. The first person.
So what is the technology that we're using to pop up animations on this piece of paper? I gave it a term. It begins with A. Anybody can guess? Or at least what's the name of the app that we're Aliv?
Let's
That one's pretty easy.
Yeah, that was easy. Yeah. Let's see. If nobody gets it, then they weren't listening, and that's on them.
Yeah, so it's A, reality. See if anybody gets that.
He's giving it to you guys.
You got to answer it in the form of a question like Jeopardy.
And what is listen. Anybody answer?
There you go.
Yay!
Discover app, absolutely.
Here we are, the winner. Woo! We got a Freedom 10. Yay!
Congrats.
I don't think that was fair. She was listening real good.
That's good. We need some of those.
You did some listeners say, don't like she's gonna come up with some legal app and then come to you guys. Some legal app. Kira, think about it. He is there, yeah. He is there. He'll come have to make a legal app, come to Aliv. So we guys wanna thank you. You guys are always fun, you guys are always fabulous, and we always what she say?
That's it. She got it augmented reality.
Say a P. So we guys, I would like to thank you and thank you, Mr. Delaney, for being
awesome.
here. I learned something.
Look, you're using technology to solve everyday problems. We're now broadcasting this across the Caribbean.
Listen,
Actually, the world, right?
Yeah, the world.
Everybody can learn about how Bahamas uses technology. So.
I know, the world. Listen, I tell them, maybe I'm going to meet to discuss this here, people. We ladies, we could get this thing together. This radio could trick us. That other friend ain't going to trick us no more, but we come around nice, sleek. By the time we leave, our hair's are full. No more. We coming to Aliv to get this thing together, So we want to thank you again, Mr. Delaney.
Thank you all.
I don't know if you have anything you want to say in closing.
No, I just want to say, everybody needs to do a little bit more like what we're doing. Don't be afraid to use technology. Even if it's using WhatsApp a bit more or, encouraging your parents to...
You mean a less more? I think we use too much WhatsApp during work time. What about?
But don't be afraid.
Yeah, don't be afraid. So she said, thank you, the lady. I ain't gonna time. I really cool though. I watch it. she had to face. She said, thank you, the lady. Oh, boy, I watch it though. That's all right though. So we'll continue something.
No, that's it. Just don't be afraid. And if you have an idea or a solution and you think you want to accelerate that, visit Aliv Creates. That's where a hub for technology entrepreneurs.
Okay. You guys, we learned something new. Aliv is more than just a telecommunication company. They are the technology company in the Bahamas.
Sure are. There you go.
All right, so we're going to thank you. I'm going to say goodbye. Well, not even goodbye. See you later. Until next time. Thursday. We actually going to be on Thursday. We can be on Thursday. And if you guys have any more questions about this, call him. Don't call us. See you guys on Thursday.
Take care. Oh, then bad.